How to read without falling asleep. I know most of us might have touched the volume button there, but that was just a little exercise. I will explain how that helps towards the end of the video. But if you are impatient, you can just skip to the end of the video and come back. Or better still, you just follow sequentially. Now let's get into it. The first thing here is open your book the right way. I know a lot of us right now will be thinking, open my book the right way. Should I be opening it from the left to the right? Or I should be jumping up while I'm opening it? Now, let me explain. Opening your book the right way simply means knowing what you want to learn. Take for instance, if you have 10 topics slamming you, of course each of those topics are going to be calling on you, will be screaming your name, but you're not going to be doing the 10 of them at once. However, you can be doing the 10 of them at once in your mind. So it's better to clarify this by taking one topic. Pick one topic and settle on it so much so that you can see through it before you go ahead to pick the next topic. By doing this, your brain is now confident to pick up the next topic, and then you can fire on from there. Next up, engage with the material. Precious, do you know why you've been sleeping whenever you study? It's because your brain thinks this is boring. So your brain goes, how about we close the curtains a little bit? And of course you'll be like, yes, I needed this. So then what do? Close your eyes and enjoy some good sleep. If it continues being boring, you will never assimilate anything. And guess what? Your institution is not going to ask you, Precious, will you love to take exams this semester? So here's 2 ways to engage with your material. 1, watch some YouTube videos. Those things are gems, bro. Particularly the animated ones. I didn't say SpongeBob. They're fun to watch as it's what most of us loved doing during our childhood. So that makes it relatable. In fact, your brain remembers it as friendly. So it begins to engage with it, thereby helping you assimilate more information from that lecture video. However, you most likely not find everything you need for your exams on YouTube videos. This takes us to the next under engaging with the material. Go on a search engine. I would outrightly recommend Google. And as you study anything that feels abstract, just go to the images part and search for it. As you see those images, it's easier for you to hold on to the words behind them, especially biological related reading. See, as you can now see the characteristics of what you were taught, not just in black ink and white paper, but you can now see it vividly in your imaginations. And then you know that these things actually exist. The third one under engaging with the material, ask every stupid question you can think of. I would immediately recommend ChatGPT, because that homie, he never complains. I mean, of course, it's a guy. By asking those supposedly stupid questions, you clarify every gaps and you bridge those gaps between doubt and actually beginning to relate to that information and assimilating it. Now let's take what's the last here, cutting your study sessions into batches. Explain this. Sleep comes when you feel overwhelmed. You can cut back on that feeling if you get a fresh boost of energy right before that feeling comes in. Do this. Assuming you have 3 hours to study, break it into 6 study sessions, 30 minutes for each, and after each 30 minutes you take a 5 minutes break. Mind you, I didn't say go and pick your phone There's no break that includes your phone because we already know that never goes as planned. I'll be watching. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Why I muted the first few seconds at the beginning of the video. That's a snippet of what you should look like when you're broken through shackles of an induced sleep. You're no longer feeling sleepy because you are now enjoying your study session. Check out some of my videos, subscribe so you get to see, comment one thing that stood out for you. See you in the next discourse. Thank you for watching.